Well, I have always considered riding boots, riding gears of all sorts to be insurance for ourselves. Do not skimp on these things as they will give you a lot of safety on the long run. Well, there are different types of riding boots available for each purpose, whether you go on urban commutes, long rides, even for track days, because you simply cannot use your Crocs or your woodland boots that you have at home for all these purposes. They are not guaranteed safety, they are not CE tested, they are not really going to keep you safe. Probably might hurt others as your Crocs just might fly away and hit someone's face. I really do not want that happening, isn't it? Well, of course, starting from this, we at Htrz Modz, we have a couple of different riding boots to show you. The first one would be Foras Ice Pro. This is absolutely beautiful, perfect for your track day riding, and also these have amazing steel toe tipped armor up front, very strong and rugged quality to it. These have accordion panels at the back, very strong plastic enforcements out here, and also really good quality adjustments. I mean, this is one of the best in quality boots that you can get without actually breaking your bank. I mean, this is made in Romania, and the quality that you're getting for the price that you pay is absolutely incredible. Also, these are great for your occasional track days, and if you are going to go full blown out there, we also have a couple more available at our store. Coming to the next, if you are a commuter, if you do not actually go on track days that much, well, here's something which really doesn't break your bank. At the same time, these are super comfortable, also have reflective panels at the back. Easy to use, no lace, no shoelace at all, and you can just zip them up. These are Ryar Urban boots, and what to say, these are super rugged, all made of complete leather, and they are so stylish. I mean, for the price you pay, I think these are more stylish than your regular boots that you wear. Come on, man. I mean, you can always wear this wherever you go, not just on your rides. Looking forward to the next one. If you are into adventure riding a lot and you have seasoned yourself to a ton of adventure riding and you wish to take it to the next level, these are the boots to go for. From Leatt's amazing quality, these are literally built like a tank with perforated leather all around, amazing chunky plates of plastic reinforcement everywhere, CE-lated armor, accordion panels up the back. They know it. Leatt knows its business far too well, and these have been masters of off-road riding all year round. This is something that you must wear if you are going to your next Leatt trip, or if you are ever planning for your intercontinental rides as well. People do a lot between Bangalore to Thailand and different areas too. I mean, there is huge world of opportunities, and these are the ones which will actually keep you safe throughout your adventures. Well, at the same time, if you just want to go on shorter rides, you do not really want to end up spending a ton of money and you still wish to enjoy the thrill of adventures, well, these are the kind of boots that you must opt, and these are so beautiful. I mean, you do not pay much amount of money, one. Second, at the same time, you want something which is not too bulky, super lightweight, is CE-rated armor, also has accordion panels at the back, reflective panels, has a host ton of features that takes it on par with one of the more expensive boots that you can get. And this is from Tarac. This is very comfortable, great for your rides under 500 to 600 kilometers, and this will actually last you really long. Perfect for your occasional tours, and also something that you must have in your checklist if you are a kind of person who has one boot for every single purpose, like a rider should always have. Well, get this all at Htrz Modz, because we have a host of different riding boots available for each price bracket, for each purpose, and for each person out there looking forward to something safe, comfortable, stylish for your next ride. Well, if you like this video, do share it with as many people as possible. Comment down what's your favorite riding gear of them all, and do not forget to hit that subscribe button. Until next time, Htrz.